Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. This is your brother Muslah Khan, and I have the privilege of standing with Sheikh Umar Sulaiman with us here today. We just want to encourage everybody to come out for the Sound Heart Conference that's going to be happening on May the 18th and May the 19th right here in Toronto, Ontario. So inshallah, invite all of you guys to purchase your tickets and come on. It's going to be a fantastic event. And the Sheikh, of course, has a few words of encouragement for all of us here today.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I have the honor and privilege of being here with our friend and teacher, Sheikh Muslah Khan, in Toronto. So inshallah ta'ala, I'm looking forward to being at the conference. And what I would say is that, a lot of times when I attend Islamic conferences, it's just a bunch of talks on activism and things of that sort, which is good and important, but it fails to neglect, I think, or many times it neglects the most important matter, which is the matter of the heart. So I love always these types of conferences which focus on the heart, because at the very least, inshallah ta'ala, you will leave with a renewed sense of purification of the heart, inshallah. And I look forward to being with you all.
في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري، فعاش القلب إخلاصا وصرت تحوم كالطير، تحلق في ثقافات وتنهل من ربى الخير.